Hey, what's up, guys? Resident Evil 5. That's all I got. We're in this. We're in this. We're in to win it.
I had nothing. I cannot talk. Like, I'll let you take that. Yeah.
You let me take that. I don't even know what to say.
You do the intro.
Alright, good. We don't need the intro. Are we watching this?
I was gonna ask, are we watching these?
We can make a fun of it. No, actually.
I don't know how far.
Oh, it's me. That's me in the car right now.
They don't know that joke.
Okay. He'll come around. Don't worry. This cutscene is like 30 frames, I think.
Yeah.
Mashichika
Kawata. Kinchi.
Yuringa. Oh my god. Captions for anyone that... Never mind. I'm sorry.
Captions?
Yeah, there's captions for me, at least.
I should have put subtitles on.
you automatically put subs on, at least for me, dude.
People are like screaming right now, so... Oh, there we go, yeah.
Yeah, this Captain Gichanto. I'm just gonna say we played this game about 10 million times, so we know what we're doing. Sochida. We don't remember these names.
I think we played this game too. So we always skip it like right. Fukui.
We always skip this.
I feel like we skipped this because I forget this.
Sorry, Chris. Is Chris bad or good? Leave in comment. I think he's good.
I'm sure he's good. I swear, if Resident Evil 8 kills him off.
Destabilized areas soon feared another incident like Raccoon City was inevitable. As panic spread.
Yo, I can't show that.
Why?
I'm kidding.
How do I buy
the anti-terrorism unit BSAA?
BSAA.
Just cause.
Wait, the guys from Just Cause made this game. We didn't even know what's part of it.
Maybe.
That's great.
Various regions around the globe.
Dang.
Oh. We both had the same reaction.
Yo, that smile or the other? I don't know.
Which one? You know which one's better.
So you'll be accompanying me to the destination.
Are we comparing Chris to Sheva now?
You already know Chris is better.
I mean, he spends his time like, you know, punching rocks and crap. So.
That's a spoiler.
We just talked about Resident Evil 8.
That's not a spoiler. He doesn't remember doing that. That'll be funny in the middle of the Resident Evil 8. He's like, I remember when I punched this rock.
I get look. I swear I forget this cutscene all the time because like.
I don't think we skip it usually.
Yeah, dude. The graves. Dang. Oh. The gravestone that has Jill on it.
I never seen that.
Me neither.
She's totally alive.
Wondering, it's all worth fighting for. Maybe one day I'll find out.
Nah. I don't. What?
Hey, don't touch her.
You don't have to get touchy.
Oh wow. Have we ever?
I swear we skipped this.
Every single time. I don't remember this. See, this is like what I love about this game. It's just like every time we play it, there's something new. We haven't seen it. It's so weird. Like, we didn't watch this cutscene fully. That guy's just looking like, what a weirdo.
So I didn't start a timer.
Oh, shoot.
We were gonna do it by sections anyway.
Minutes. Oh boy. Here we go.
Can I move? There we go.
Yeah, Sheva!
Ding. Put on controller or?
Yeah, I'm doing that. I can switch when I want. Of course I'm playing on controller. That's how I always played. All these PC people are gonna be mad at me that a keyboard, not a keyboard.
Yo, why y'all hitting this bag?
Do you think it's like a chicken in the bag or an actual person? Like, I don't know how you would fit a person in there.
There's a straight person in there.
How? No way. It's too small of a bag.
Bro, you bend them up?
Oh my god, don't even get me thinking.
I mean, don't like. I don't mean like bend them up. Like you know how people like they hop in a box. Like
You gotta be pretty small to do that.
like touch your toes. I don't know.
Touch your toes. That's gonna be painful.
Yeah, but I mean you're getting hit with a bat too, so.
So it's more painful. Dude, where'd they all go? Like they were just there, and then they're just like, I'm out.
They were like, hey. They were. If I can.
If I can. Sorry. Yeah, that's what we were doing. My dog was barking. What were we doing?
I have your weapons for you here. Check them.
I already got a gun. Didn't we already equip guns? We're ahead of the game.
Yeah.
The operation's already
Josh. Bull. That's funny.
Alright, so if your dog will let me talk.
Josh. I'm reloading. I always thought that was a knife, but it's actually a mag.
Destination coordinates.
Found squares up ahead. Go through there.
Top of ground, what are you barking at?
Good.
What do you
That did not sound like Shovel.
Ouroboros.
Mostly just rumors. Something about visions of doomsday.
Doomsday sounds about right. But apparently
2012? Question mark.
You're kidding, right?
You must find a man named Irving. He's our
Irving.
And be careful out there.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, so we are doing a playthrough on this game on veteran using pistols only.
And then professional.
Wait, we haven't decided. Can we use our knife? Helen?
Maybe we'll do something else. If we want.
Can we use our knife to hit boxes?
I mean, why would we waste ammo? We're gonna need a lot of handgun ammo, I can tell you that.
Whatever happens, we stick together.
Don't worry.
So, did you figure out who voice acts for Chris? Like, is it the same guy in, like, 7? Still? And 6?
No, actually. I think.
Really?
Do you know in the RE3 remake for Carlos?
Right.
I'm not.
Well, I played a little bit.
I'm not positive, but I want to say that Carlos actually voices Chris. At least in the RE8 trailer, or Resident Evil 8. It's not like the. It's not like Chris, yeah, whatever.
That's weird. Shovel.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm already starting with that.
Was that B? Yeah.
The classic, come on, come on, come on. And then they improved it in 6.
We do the mercenaries one. They like growing.
Come on.
Come
Taking
on.
one. The best one. Dude, they're just a little hungry. Wait. No, it's not. No, that's not how that works. No. No. They're moving. How are they freezing? Dang, his eyes are really red. Such a big difference in on PC. Are you okay? Are you okay? It reminds me of that Kendrick Lamar song. I don't know if you know which one. Oh, Rip Eyes. Resident Evil 5, but 1000% facial animation.
Oh, that'd be hilarious.
Oh, his eyes would be like popping out of his head.
Oh.
Headshot.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh wait, pistols.
Punch him.
Pistols.
What? We can't melee?
I mean, we have to choose.
We haven't decided that? Oh, I forgot to do that. I forgot melee was even a thing.
Fine, let's do melee.
Okay. We didn't plan this very well.
It took us like an hour just to get the recording set up, and your dog's like, you're gonna ear rape the audience. I'm like, Cut.
Now he's sleeping. He's just like, I'm going back to bed after I just made a very loud. Oh, pistol ammo. See ya. That's how I feel when I don't feel like dealing with anything in life. Just jump out the window. You know, I'm just gonna say we jumped out a window. It's about like, I don't know. That's like 2 stories maybe. You think we would broke our legs?
Nah, not that high.
Sure, video games. Alright, we gotta run here because we have no ammo.
Oh, you're right. I was gonna say let's go and get the diamond, but
No, you have to kill a bunch of them, don't you?
yeah. Oh, yep.
Yeah, we don't have the ammo. We can knife them all day, but we're on veteran. We ain't doing that. Alright. Close that door, Chris. Yeah, that piece of wood will hold them. I keep yelling at that tired.
Come in, Kirk.
I think grenade. So.
Locals were told we had to use force. We don't have any contingency plans for this situation.
Yeah, we just know.
Come on. I just want to open the door. Let's go.
What does that mean?
Can I open this door?
Is HQ expecting
No.
this?
Yeah, we were expecting this.
Roger.
We know.
Go!
Come on.
Come on! Come on!
You have to investigate it first. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I was trying very hard to actually open the door and not, you know. Oh, ammo! Thank God. So when, like, we get the cases for the weapons, are we not gonna pick them up? Like shotgun? We're just gonna be like, alright, we don't need it.
I think we can pick them up and sell them, but I feel like you
Nah,
just can't switch to them.
Oh no. I think we shouldn't even touch them, but we'll see, we'll see. That'd be nice to sell them. We need to upgrade our pistols to be OP, you know. I'll grab one. How much? I got a bunch of heals now. What do you have? Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna give you this, because I don't need it that much.
Come on!
Every door is come on! Come on!
Aw. Yo, tell the history of this game. How many we actually played it, like, the first time? I can't remember. I don't remember anything.
Hold on, let me take it back. Oh, crap. Sorry, I'm taking, like, all the ammo. Wait.
Dude, sharing is not caring, apparently, in this game. You gotta work as a team. You gotta sit right next to each other or you die instantly. You're gonna give me all the ammo, watch.
I forgot to divide it.
There's a way to split the ammo.
Okay, so we met back when, like, Call of Duty World at War came out. So, like, 2008, 9? 10?
No, it was 2010.
2010.
That's when I got an Xbox. I got it, like, on my birthday.
Then,
And World at War was the first game I got, and then I got Live. Like, I don't know when I got Live. Like, a couple of months later or something.
yeah, so,
I started
little-
doing.
Zach, I'm trying to tell the story! So, like,
Wait a minute.
a little bit after World at War, we played RE5. I'm not sure if we beat it, though. And then, like,
I remember getting stuck on that ledge as Sheva because I couldn't button mash. So I think you had to play as Sheva at that point.
yeah.
Beat-
We had to actually just, yeah.
Yeah, sounds about right.
My man can't button mash. That sounds, yeah. Can't button mash.
It's true, I was a kid. I don't know how to button mash. You played more games you had to button mash.
I did the Mortal Kombat test your mic thing a lot, so.
Yeah, I did do that.
But yeah, so we played on 360, and then the Xbox One version came out, and we went 100% in it pretty much. Or almost.
I don't think we did professional. Oh no, we did. Sorry.
We did, yeah.
Like years later. Way later.
What?
You
Oh.
know. History at its finest. 10 years later. 10 years? You kidding me? Been that long. I know that it's like a fire grenade. Oh yeah, it's a hand grenade in the melons or whatever the heck these are supposed to be. Oh, you blocked the doors? Wow.
Oh. I keep thinking I have more in a clip. Did you mean to do that? What did you give me?
I don't know, I have 50 bullets, so I don't need that much. I've got enough ammo to shoot a lot of guys now. We both have a nade. We should save that for, like, the executioner, dude. You know? Headshot, headshot. haven't broke through that other door yet. Oh man, we are on point. We're not even using a keyboard or mouse. We're really good at this game.
10 people in the comments gonna be like, oh, you freaking use aim assist.
I mean, I like controllers. I don't know what to tell everyone. It's okay. No one will. Oh god, there's a guy right there. I used my knife.
Oh, my aim got so whack for a second.
Hold on, I gotta hit this guy. Bam.
Yeah, my skills aren't showing off very well.
Oh, mine are. Don't worry. How do you do the like 360 turnaround thing?
Hit back and an A.
Kurt, come in. The
Well, I suck, so I don't think I'm doing
gate
it.
is sealed, and we're
Oh, no, I just did it.
We need backup.
I got you. Oh, she just. Oh, I forgot how loud this is.
Yeah.
Got it. Just hope he gets here quick.
I'm not in the
Oh my
position to,
God.
but, like...
I love the music here. Just like dun 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 dun. I love it.
Oh my god!
It's so. Oh, and I got this. Nade.
Can't use nades!
I did. Don't worry, I got it.
Is
I got
that-
achievement. What? Yep. I'm so confused. What happened? What? What happened?
Pistols only.
Oh, you boy.
How?
My memory sucks.
It was like 2 seconds ago!
Fred. Of course. I'm just so used to using everything in the game. Oh man. Pistols only.
It's like pistols only. And you're like, I'm gonna throw a grenade. I'm like, no, don't do it. And you're like, I'm gonna do it. I did it.
Good thing you kept track for me. Alright. I'm not knifing these melons to get your grenade then. Screw it. That was too funny. Zach! I'm like, what did I do? I didn't think I did anything wrong. I was just trying to help my situation by not dying. Oh boy, hold on. Dude, Sheva's like super strong, look at this. Like, she can just push a whole bookshelf. She's independent.
She is an independent woman.
Yep. And now we wait.
Okay, come on.
Oh, dude.
What?
I killed like the fattest spider today.
Fattest spider. It was a thick spider?
Dude, it's one of those when you pop it, there's like more of them. And so I...
Oh, no, don't even... Oh, no,
Dude.
I'm already getting like...
Yeah!
Oh,
I was so
stop.
freaked out.
Double whammy. That is gross. I don't even want to hear that. Whatever. I had a and reload.
Oh!
I knew that was gonna happen. I was on it, don't worry. Yeah. Spiders,
Come in.
it's cool sometimes to have them, like in your room, you know.
Right now.
There's a lot of going on, it's hard to focus.
Yeah.
When we get to the calmer parts of the game, it'll be easier to talk.
Just hope he gets here quick.
It's like all behind you. Okay.
Your face cam on. What would happen like when you said my name? You're like Zach, and then you like face palm.
I looked at it. I was like, okay, come on.
Alright, we're getting out of here. There's so many. Alright, I'm coming. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Is the the gate was like still there.
Zach.
Hold on. I got this.
Come on.
Time to earn every achievement in the game by doing everything on mercenaries. Boom, fire. Achievement, please.
Oh!
Wait, I remember saying, oh, I'm gonna use the grenade on the executioner, and then did you say something like after I said that?
I'm
And I
not,
didn't notice.
I don't think
Or
I
did
did.
you totally agree with me?
I don't think I heard that. I'm like,
Oh.
mean,
see,
epic
that's
gamer
true.
mode.
Oh, go get him. Backflip. That makes sense.
Wait, I get it straight.
You got him?
Yeah.
Combo wombo. That makes sense. Oh, he got me
kidding me?
apparently? Okay.
That's a huge lunge. Oh my gosh.
Stairs.
Don't hit me with a microphone.
Yeah, that doesn't do any damage. Shoot in the leg. Alright, let's go. Oh,
Stop it. Yeah.
your stomp's faster than my impale. Oh shoot, there is a gun here, but we can't grab it because, you know. I'm just gonna go open it because I want to see it. What?
Oh my gosh, no!
What happened?
I couldn't go across the thing. I was like,
Dude, the difference in playing veteran and professional is so big, by the way. Like, we have not got one hit. Like, I'm not worried about really dying too often.
hey, achievement.
I think they did the same thing before with the nade, and I got achievement. But we gotta kill this executioner. We get like a gold item, something, whatever.
Uh-oh.
I want to get his band. I want some money.
I think you have to kill him to get the checkpoint to go anywhere.
I know. No, I don't think you get it. You can kill him.
Hold up, back up. There's barrels like right there.
Alright, I'm backing up now. I'm outie. He's almost dead. Dude, hit that transformer. And then it'll roll out or something.
Nice.
Where is it actually? There is one here. Hold up. There it is. Not hit myself with it. Oh, the music's almost done. We're about to get saved.
Music's almost done. What?
I know the timing. Watch.
I'm an ammo.
There's ammo on the ground somewhere. There's grenades we can't use. That's nice. You can punch him if you want. Oh wait, you're not near me. No!
Yo. Eat this.
Sorry. Help! Whatever you said.
Get some herbs.
Help! I have heals. Ooh! That was very scary. I almost got hit by him. You can punch him.
I'm not down there.
Die! Oh my god. No, hurry, I'm about to die.
Hold up, let him walk by here.
I know, it's a barrel. Okay, good, you died.
Turn around,
Shot that guy's
turn around,
barrel.
turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Shoot the barrel, shoot the barrel, shoot the barrel, shoot the barrel. Missed it.
Ah! Sorry. I shot it, there you go.
Why'd you do it now?
It's okay. It'll be fine.
Are you not understanding? Oh my gosh, I can't do it. I can't do.
I
Ah!
got you. I have one bullet. Are you not understand? I know, I picked up a grenade, I'll throw it away.
You're like, oh, pistols only. This won't be a problem. I'm gonna use everything but the pistol.
I threw it away, don't worry. Okay. And now I have no ammo. I saw I picked it up, don't worry. Alright, coming in here for you guys. Oh.
There we go.
Kept you waiting, huh? Sorry. He said, sorry, keep you waiting. Oh, man. Church.
That's a.
I wonder how they made that sound, or how they.
The Pringles
You know what I'm
can.
trying to say, I hope.
They made him talking to a Pringles can and was like, "Er,
Oh, I could do that.
go for it.
Hold on. Hello.
Yeah, that's how I did it.
That's how he did it.
Alright.
Oh, look. There we go, chapter... Oh, we got S's because we're pros.
Hey,
No deaths. 12
man.
minutes. That was 12 minutes. Hey, that's a good way to keep track of time, yeah?
Yeah, I think it's like without cutscenes, so.
Well, I think we should end that one.
Yeah.
Alright, go to Alt Tab, watch.
Oh, we got a
David
funny
doesn't
thing
know
like.
how to do that.
No. A funny like outro type thing like. Next time, but that's not really.
Oh, too late. I already went to Alt Tab.
Oh, I'm still doing my.
Well, you can have that. You do your outro.